I like to start off this with what are the 2026 predictions, the marketing trends? What's going on right now? We're getting out of the information age into the age of AI, right? And this is profound. Like they're shipping out these computers nowadays with zero search engines. The new Chromebooks, they just have Gemini. They're going to be phasing that out, right? They're having a new product come in. Your focus should still be on Google, but ChatGPT is starting to be baked into results. These LLMs, these learning language models, fancy word for AI, it's starting to get picked up in search results because everybody wants a piece of the pie. So the way that we see it, and we not only us, but the industry sees it, other experts that are way smarter than me, trust signals are going to be like the new currency of the web. So that's great. If you're a company that is amazing at building relationships, building trust, you have to like take that and say, well, how do I do this for AI to get picked up? How do I represent this online? Think of things like real images, reviews, things coming out from humanistic factors pumping into your website. Like that's going to be the new currency coming in. Another thing that's also going to happen is people hate dealing with other people, right? They're getting away from the human aspect and they just want to like deal with the computer, deal with the AI, deal with the chat bot. So less and less people are going to be picking up the phone. It's going to be harder and harder and harder to make phone calls. The other day, they just implemented on the new iOS that every phone call that comes in, it already gives me like a summary about who that company is and what that company is about. So if I'm calling somebody, it's already going to tell me exactly who that person is that's calling, even though I don't know their number. So we're also going to have to deal with that. High tech instead of high touch. But being high touch, that's a good thing because you can translate that into the high tech. Text messaging, AI lead follow up, things of that nature. A lot of AI pricing. We've also seen where you can go and have AI reach out to get you a bunch of roof quotes. How would you like an AI bot calling you to get a roof quote instead of the actual homeowner? You're going to want to kill yourself at that point. But I mean, that's coming. That's where they're going with it. I have a slide. Actually, I think the next slide where it shows it's baked in. Like this is it right here. Like this is how the process is going to work. Just Google it. How does AI call and price check companies for me? And it's telling you like this is something that they're working on. They want to monetize this. Like this is here. This is now. Just like the Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator movies. Like we're in it now. It's not the 80s anymore.